what's going on, everyone? It's Daniel Show. Welcome to my One Funnel Away Challenge review and unboxing video. And now, I'm at the members area of this One Funnel Away Challenge. So in just a minute, I'm going to share with you step by step and explain to you what this One Funnel Away Challenge is and what you're going to get from it, and as well as sharing with you some pros and cons about this One Funnel Away Challenge. I did this One Funnel Away Challenge in 2019, actually on March 29th, 2019, and this was the first training I took before I started my online marketing business. I'm going to share with you my honest opinion about this One Funnel Away Challenge. So what this One Funnel Away Challenge is? Well, in a nutshell, this One Funnel Away Challenge is designed to help you to launch your first or next funnel. So if you are looking for a way to grow your business online, especially during this crazy pandemic, okay? I know there are a lot of offline business all went out of business, and they are looking for transform their business from offline to online. So if you're looking for a way to grow your business online, then I would say this training is definitely for you. And let me quickly show you what you're gonna get from this training. This is a 30-day hands-on training, and you're gonna be taught by 3 of the top coaches in the industry. They are ClickFunnels founder Russell Brunson himself. Okay, he is gonna teach you all the strategies and also basically give you the core fundamentals and strategy behind your customized 30-day plan. Also, you're gonna be working with Julie Stoyan, who is gonna teach you how to build your funnels, and as well as Stephen Larson, who is gonna be who's gonna coach you daily on live group calls. Okay, and I would say Steve Larson is definitely very hands-on. Okay, and he's not gonna go easy on you. So by working with him, I would say you can expect to achieve some amazing results by constantly taking actions. Now, let me show you what are the courses that you're gonna go through during this 5-6 weeks period. Okay. So before week 1, you're gonna go through the pre-training. Pre-training week is all about getting in the right mindset in order to propel your business forward. Then you're gonna start the first week training. First week training, you're gonna learn the basics of how to sell online, including how to get the attention of your customers with a perfect hook, okay, and the importance of storytelling, and also what it takes to build an attractive offer. So you're gonna learn all that during first week of training. Then week number two is all about sales copy. Okay, this is the week I enjoy the most because it is completely relevant to my online business. Okay, before I do online marketing, I was selling my supplements on Amazon. Okay, so this week number 2, I can relay a lot, especially using the techniques I learned from this One Funnel Away Challenge. I know how to tailor-make, I know how to better present my hooks and also my stories, and which drove my supplement sales crazy, okay, during that period. Week number 3 is gonna be the funnel building training week. You're gonna learn all the nuts and bolts of building your sales funnel. And this is the practical advice, okay? I would not have been found anywhere else. I would not have been able to find anywhere else, basically. So valuable. Week number 3, teach you all the techniques, very hands-on. So even though you have no experience of building funnel in your life before, week number 3, Julie is gonna walk you through step by step and create your funnel according to your business, okay? And week number 4, then they are gonna focus on traffic and promotion, how to drive traffic to your funnels, how to drive traffic to your offers. Because we all know that no matter how beautiful and how amazing your funnel design is, if nobody sees your funnel, okay, if there is no traffic, then it's not gonna work. So week number 4, the training will be focused on how to drive that massive traffic properly to your sales funnel, so you can convert those traffic into actual sales for your business. Then week number 5 is gonna be the post-training period, and it's gonna be your next 90 days plan after you finish your 30-day One Funnel Away Challenge training. Okay, so that's basically all the training steps you're gonna go through during this 5-6 weeks period. And let me show you what you're gonna get after you sign up with this One Funnel Away training. You're gonna get 30 days of video missions from Russell Brunson. You're also gonna get 30 days of coaching from Stephen Lawson and Julie Stoyan. You're also gonna get One Funnel Away Challenge customized kit. It's the 30-day plan, okay? You're also gonna get some amazing bonuses. And let me show you, because this is an unboxing video, so let me just show you what you're gonna get. There are two options. You can choose digital option, which means that you can download all these bonuses as digital files. And if you choose that option, then all you need to pay is $100 for this One Funnel Away Challenge training. And there is option number 2, which is the physical copy option. And I went with the option number 2 to get the physical copy delivered to me. And the price for that is $100 plus additional shipping and handling. So I believe the price I paid was like $119, about $120. But if you go with that option, you're gonna just be like me, receiving this box. So what's in this box is physical copy of the challenge workbook. Again, if you go with the digital option, you can download this as the digital file. You're also gonna get MP3 player with all the audio files in it, so you can listen to all the audio files about this course if you are not in front of your computer. Okay. You're also gonna get 30 days hardcover book. Okay. Sorry, 30 days hardcover book is this. This is the interview. They interview all the top ClickFunnels super affiliate. Asking them the question, what they're gonna do if they lose all, okay, if suddenly they lose their business, they lose all their money, all their followings, what they're gonna do within 30 days from day 1 to day 30, what their strategies are to get back on their feet and to create a profitable online business. Okay, so this book is, I found it is a very amazing book you should read. Okay, the physical copy of the challenge workbook is this one. Okay, this is the your workbook you're gonna do your homework with during this 30-day challenge. Also, you're gonna get access to unlimited access to the 30 days interview. So once you log into your members area, you can see all these video interviews here. And last bonus you're gonna get is the access to behind the scenes 2 Comma Club interviews. Okay, what is 2 Comma Club? Basically, 2 Comma Club means that any affiliate who is using ClickFunnels software to build their funnel, and that particular funnel has generated over $1 million revenue. So if you generated $1 million from one funnel, then you are the member of this 2 Comma Club. So you're also gonna have access to those interviews. So you can see that the total value is over $3,000 from ClickFunnels alone. And if you join today, I mean, if you take on the One Funnel Away Challenge today, all you need to pay is just $100. Plus, I put the link in the description down below of my amazing bonuses. Once you click on that link, it's gonna take you to my bonus page. This is my bonus page. And let me show you what bonuses that you're gonna get from me if you sign up through my link. Bonus number 1, I'm giving you this lead funnels playbook, which contains over 100 high converting funnel swipe files from all different business. So no matter what business you are in, while you are building your sales funnels, you can always model other people's success from this lead funnels playbook, because all those funnels included in this lead funnel playbooks has proven to be high converting, super successful funnels. So instead of shooting in the dark, you can model other people's success while you are building your funnels. Bonus number 2, I'm also giving you over 50,000 ebooks, which you can give away at your sales funnel page to get people opt in to sign up to your email list. So you can use all my ebooks to build your email list. Bonus number 3, I'm also gonna give you my top 7 free and fast sources that's gonna help you to get unlimited traffic to your funnels. Just like I mentioned before, without traffic, your funnel is useless, basically. So you have to know how to drive traffic. And this bonus is gonna show you how to get those unlimited traffic to your funnels. Bonus number 4, I'm also giving you access to this course to teach you how you can bank daily commission between $400 to over $2,000 using this method. Bonus number 5, I'm also giving you access to this Bam Bam Profits, which includes 13 done for you proven money making campaigns that you can copy and use right away. Bonus number 6, I'm also giving you access to this course to show you how you can start from $0 to over $100 in just 24 hours. Bonus number 7, and this one is the huge one, and also the next one. This one, I'm giving you access to this course called ClickBank Super Affiliate Bootcamp. And this course alone, the market value is $4,997, or almost $5,000. So if you sign up to take out One Funnel Away Challenge through my link on this bonus page, you're gonna get this course for free. Bonus number 8, I'm also giving you another course, ClickBank University 2.0, and this one value is $1,997, almost $2,000. And if you, again, you're gonna get this high value course from me as free bonus if you take on the One Funnel Away Challenge through my link. And bonus number 9, I'm also giving you this SEO agency turnkey business kit. And it's gonna give you ready-made SEO agency website, SEO explainer video, email and telemarketing scripts, ready-made simple SEO proposal, invoice template, business card template, letterhead design, brochure template, SEO audit sample contract, as well as premium SEO course with master resale rights. Bonus number 10, I'm also giving you this video agency turnkey business kit, okay, for anybody who would like to start their video agency. And this bonus is going to give you editable, powerful PowerPoint proposal, brochure files that you can customize, business card, letterhead, invoice templates, email sequence that you can use in your email campaigns, telemarketing scripts, ready-made video agency website, and also high-paying clients course. It's going to teach you how to get high-paying clients for your video agency. Bonus 11 is going to be the One Funnel Away vendor bonuses. So it's going to be all the materials in this box we talked about earlier. You're going to get all that once you sign up through my link as well. So in order to get all these amazing bonuses, I mean, this will actually save you huge amount of money and give you a lot of value, help you a success in your online business. So in order to get all this, all you need to do is just click on this red oranges button on my bonus page before this countdown timer hits 0, and then you're gonna get all these bonuses delivered to you within 48 hours after you sign up to the challenge. Also, I leave my personal contact information at the bottom of this page. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to my team or send an email to myself, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And last but not least, let me tell you about pros and cons I think about this One Funnel Away Challenge. So pros, on top of receiving thousands of dollars of materials that you will not be able to find elsewhere, okay, joining this One Funnel Away Challenge will also open many doors for you, because you're gonna have access to this private Facebook group during your 30-day challenge period, and you're gonna work with your coaches here, as well as get to know other members just like yourself who are also taking this One Funnel Away Challenge. And many of them are just like you and me. They are probably a small business owner and looking for ways to bring their business online. So there are all different backgrounds, that people are coming from different backgrounds that you can network with. I would say some of them will become your future partner. So this One Funnel Away Challenge actually provide you with this amazing opportunity that you can mingle with other like-minded people, which is super valuable. Now here is the cons of the One Funnel Away Challenge. Okay, one thing I would say is that this course is fast-paced, and I mean that. So you don't have the option to sit around and to slow things down during the challenge. If you just do one-day training and sleep for 2 days, then come back 2 days later, hopefully to pick up where you left, it's not gonna work. If you take time off, you're gonna fall behind. So if you are kind of laid back, not willing to give your 100%, then this One Funnel Away Challenge is not for you. But it's 30 days of hard work worth the potential of creating extremely valuable and high converting sales funnel for your online business? Well, it was an easy decision for me. Okay, and I hope after watching this video, you are now be able to make your own decision to decide whether or not you should take on this challenge. And if you do, don't forget, sign up through my link on my bonus page, and you're gonna get all my amazing bonuses for free. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions about this one funnel away challenge, or if you have any questions about my bonuses or about online marketing, please drop your questions in the comment section down below. I will reply your messages personally. If you do see any value from today's content, please hit that like button or subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Peace.